Hey everybody, this is Andrew Connell, and I'm really excited to tell you that we've got another Microsoft 365 collaboration conference coming up. This is the thing that used to be known as the SharePoint conference. So you know what that means. We're going back to Vegas, baby! Huh? It's virtual. Oh, we don't need these. Sweet. So hey, look, I want to tell you a little bit about this conference. It's coming up on December the 9th, 10th, and 11th. And on the middle day, on December the 10th, they're going to be holding half-day workshops. And yours truly has a workshop on, I know it's surprising, the SharePoint Framework. My workshop is called Developers Learn How to Use the SharePoint Framework to Customize and Extend SharePoint. And I'm going to show you what the SharePoint Framework is. If you've got no experience with it, this is for you. What is the SharePoint Framework? How do I get your laptop and your developer environment all set up so that you can do SharePoint Framework development? And then we're going to walk through creating a web part and seeing other things that we have the ability to do and get as much stuff done as we can in the matter of about 4 hours. I'm going to have a bunch of code downloads that you can go grab the resources from the module or from the workshop where you can learn how to do and use this in your own resources. The neat thing about this too is that if you use the discount code or the registration code Connell, then you'll get a discount code on your registration when you register for the workshop. And better yet, what I'm also going to do is that I have a large 35-hour plus SharePoint Framework course. And what I'm going to do is that for those of you who register for the workshop and use my discount code to sign up, I'm going to let you know when we do the workshop how you can get all of the money that you spent on this workshop applied as a credit towards a registration for my course. It's an on-demand video course, so think of it almost like a try before you buy my course. You can get the workshop, get a bunch of stuff from the conference, and then take advantage of my course and get that same discount so you don't end up spending the money twice. It's a great option, it's a great opportunity. Of course, you don't have to buy my course as well. You can just do the workshop and get what you need out of it. But I wanted to make sure that you were aware that that was going to be an option as well that I'll extend to everybody who registers for the workshop. All right, that's it. I got some information here about how you can go register for the workshop, so head on over and register. I think they've got seats limited, so you want to make sure you don't wait too long for this because we expect it to get pretty packed. Usually when I've done this in the past, we've had over 100 people there live for the workshop, so we're expecting a lot of people to show up for this. I hope to see you there.